Welcome to video 4, Creating Google Posts. Within your Google My Business dashboard, you now have the ability to share events, products and services about your business so they can get found easily in Google Search and Google Maps. This is done using the Google Posts feature. What are Google Posts? Google Posts are small cards that appear within the business information in the Google search engine results pages when users search for your business. These cards are great for promoting timely content to customers at the right time and are managed from an intuitive interface inside of Google My Business and can be added for each of your business locations. Different types of posts. Posts can be used to share a variety of information like events such as an upcoming band or an in-store session, offers and specials such as sales and coupons, product updates such as new merchandise, announcements such as open late this Saturday or special guests this week. Why use Google Posts? It's free and costs nothing. 81% of shoppers conduct online research before they make a purchase or use a service. Google Posts gets this information in front of those potential customers at the right time. Posts offers users a one-click incentive to learn about, buy, or sign up for a product, service, or event. It's very easy to manage. Posts is part of Google My Business and can be managed from the website or on the go with the app. Where do posts show up? When you share a post, users will see it in the Google search engine results page and Google Maps when they search for your brand. They will appear in the knowledge graph to the right side of the search results on both mobile and desktop. How to create posts via the desktop. Sign into Google My Business and choose a location you would like to manage. Click Create Post, or you can choose Post from the menu. The Create Post screen will appear. Here you will see options to add photos, text, events and a button to your post. Just click each field and enter the relevant information. Once you have created your post, click Preview to view it. If it looks good, click Publish in the top right corner of the screen. Your published post will appear in the search engine results within a few minutes. All posts will be archived in the Posts tab. Creating Google Posts on mobile. Open the Google My Business app on your phone. In the bottom right corner of the screen, tap the Create icon. Then tap the Posts icon that appears. The Create Post screen will appear. Here you will see options to add photos, text, events and a button to your post. Just tap each field and enter the relevant information. Once you have filled out your information, you will see a preview of your post. If it looks good, tap Publish in the top right corner of the screen and your post is live. A few need-to-knows. Google deletes your posts after 7 days to ensure the sharing of fresh content. Event posts stay live until the event is over. The first 80 characters are what shows up in the knowledge panel. Your newest posts will show first and the older ones will be displayed in a carousel. Google will scroll up to 10 posts in a carousel, but only the first 2 are seen in the SERPs. Tips to make a great post. Explore and steal ideas from blogs like these or from other posts you see showing up for businesses that attract your attention. Use great photography, write actionable headlines. Write the headline to inspire action. Keep descriptions short and sweet. Keep the post brief and include only necessary details. Best practice 150 to 300 characters. Use a clear call to action. What not to do in Google Posts. Don't use commercial slang. Don't use excessive exclamation marks or all caps. Don't include more than one theme or offer in a post. Don't craft a deal with too many exclusions. How to measure engagement and success. Google offers insights on posts, including impressions and clicks, but Posts does not integrate with Google Analytics. To measure the success of your post, use Google URL Builder to create a unique URL with your CTA button. Using Google Posts will provide a great way to get relevant, timely information in front of users at the right time. By using a custom URL, information about users who click on posts will be pulled into Google Analytics and can be used to make marketing and advertising decisions. I'll see you in the next video.